What's the meaning of blister pack? Blister pack. Blister pack.
Blister pack. Blister pack. A blister pack is a type of packaging used to store and display products, typically small consumer goods such as pharmaceuticals, electronics, or cosmetics. The pack consists of a clear plastic shell or blister that is heat-sealed to a cardboard backing. Products are placed inside the blister and the cardboard backing is printed with branding and product information. Blister packaging offers several benefits including protection from moisture, tampering and physical damage. It is also popular due to its ability to showcase the contents of the pack while still maintaining product integrity. Overall, blister packaging is a widely used and effective solution for storing and displaying a variety of products.